Okay, so I'm going to show a couple of repositories that I've started using. So one of them is Webwork, which is a kind of both of these are online homework systems that the students can use to answer questions and have them immediately graded. They have a number of kind of different possibilities, and I'm just kind of exploring these two to decide which one I like better. I've been using Webwork for a bit. I've got it hosted by a friend at Red Rock Community College in Denver. Um, but I think that I'm liking MyOpenMath more, which is a resource I just started using since starting this course. So to compare and contrast, in Webwork, you've got problems that can be edited. They're displayed in kind of reasonable formats. Editing them uses Perl scripting, which is kind of annoying to learn to write in. They do have videos that you can embed in them. The reason I'm calling this a repository is that you can actually download a class full of questions and then change them kind of as you see fit. Uh, Webwork, as it stands, is only really homework questions and embedded videos. And I've found that modifying questions is a little bit frustrating, and the only kind of thing it can take is some kind of a like text input. MyOpenMath is a sort of a similar but different product. Uh, MyOpenMath is also open source. Webwork is put up by the MMA. MyOpenMath is a kind of independent open source project. MyOpenMath has a bit better embedding. So this is my current trig class that I literally opened this like 4 days ago. So it's got kind of sections. I like their navigation a bit better. Webworks is kind of just hodgepodge. It's only the homework sections, whereas MyOpenMath has these kind of more navigable things. So you can see that this is linked to the OpenStax textbook, which is nice. The videos are kind of boring. I don't really like the tone that the person uses in there. It's just kind of boring. The assignments themselves, we can go look at. So this is like a slightly more multimedia presentation. It's not quite all the way to a Desmos activity, but it's pretty good. So this one's asking us to draw a line segment at an angle of 45 degrees. So like there we go. If we hit submit, we'll get an answer. If we do it kind of wrong, we'll get a like you got it wrong. You can set this kind of finite number of tries and stuff. This is also more properly a repository instead of a homework system because you can pull from an existing OpenStax textbook. So this is basically the trig one. I slimmed out some algebra stuff that I didn't need, but otherwise this is roughly a plug and play resource, which is kind of convenient. I think I'm leaning more towards this. I have to see what the students say. The other nice thing about this is that you can embed it in Canvas. So Canvas, you can set it up so that they're linked together so the students can get the assignments as Canvas assignments, and you can set the due dates in Canvas, which is pretty cool. Playing with it, see how it goes. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. This podcast or this video is sponsored by Raid Shadow Legends. Download it today.